What is a real estate agent's primary duty?
Your primary duty as a real estate agent is to represent the interests of your client. It should be clear to all parties in a real estate transaction that you are representing the interests of your client. However, you need to also treat others in any transaction fairly. You should be scrupulous and meticulous in your job as an agent. You should place none of your personal interests above that of your client. Let's look at an example. Jim is an agent, and his client Karen wants to buy a house close to where she works. Jim has a friend called Michael who has a condo 20 miles away from where Karen works. Jim would be putting his own interest ahead of his client's if he showed Karen his friend's condo. Therefore, Jim will not show Michael's condo to Karen and instead will be a scrupulous agent and serve his client's interests. That is real estate agent's primary duty.